day we made. Should've left your eyes on red. Was naive, wanted attention from your brown eyes, but there was somewhere else.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click the notification down below so you can get your official welcome. Today's video is a updo, quick and simple bang and a ponytail in one.
Storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
the hair came with 3 combs, one at the back, one at the front, and one in the middle, plus the drawstring at the back.
through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
this is also another way you can wear the hair, guys. For $20, this hair is the bomb. It's easy to install and it's very time consuming. Comment down below and let me know what you think of this hair. Would you wear it?
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and